Innovation is important to Alliance because that's really truly what the customer is yearning. How do we deliver the best product possible? And innovation is where it all starts. And I think about innovations in a number of different ways. I think about innovations coming from our supplier community, and I think about innovations coming from that end consumer that's using that product day in and day out.
Too often we think in this industry that the status quo kind of rules the day. People follow what others are doing, and we like to challenge the status quo. We like to innovate. We like to push, the needle in terms of product development, in terms of how we service customers, in terms of how we treat our employees. Innovation is critical to what we do here at Alliance RV.
There's a number of things that we've invested in. I think that there's a couple of big ones we've recently done. And if you look at our rain bay, we have a separate facility here where we can put a sampling of product in each day that kind of simulates a massive rainstorm. So we can figure out if there's any leaks before it leaves the factory.
We run the slides in and out, 30 minutes in, 30 minutes out. Over 10,000 gallons of water are poured onto that unit. And through that process, we're able to identify any seal voids, any leak points, any issues with an entry door, baggage door, whatever it may be, all in an effort to further enhance our quality.
And we've also invested into a shaker table that gives us real road vibrations to test the product.
And what that does is it simulates 30-mile road conditions. It rolls on the shaker table, trying to identify any loose trim, try to eliminate some of the shakedown that might occur, really trying to catch any issues before the product ships out to the dealer and the end retail customer.
We've also invested into laser equipment. Out of our lamination plant, we've got laser equipment that tells us exactly where to place those backers, for whether it be for TV backers or cabinet backers, so they're in the exact same spot, unit in and unit out.
We're ensuring that there's 100% accuracy. So when that end retail customer is placing up a coat hanger or wants to put up a TV, they can rest assured that that backer is there in place. Another way that we've been able to challenge the status quo is with our facilities. We have over 800,000 square feet of manufacturing space here at Alliance RV, with the vast majority of it being built from the ground up.
We have skylights in the buildings. We've actually painted this building all white. So we're doing a lot of things internally to make sure that we truly invest into the infrastructure first and foremost, which ultimately leads to the best product and the best environment for our team members to deliver exceptional quality.
As you can see, through this investment and the innovation that we've been able to incorporate at Alliance RV, that we've really taken a long-term approach to how we've managed this business. We're fiercely independent, and we are very excited about things to come here at Alliance RV.
We're going to continue to push the boundaries when it comes to product quality. We're going to continue to push the boundaries when it comes to customer experience. We're going to lead in a number of different ways as we look into the future, and as we look 10 years out, as we look 15 years out, as we look 20 years out. This business is built with a great foundation to lead the market in a major way.